Morning everybody, it's Chris with the continuation of the 4 majors update for the 24th of August. I'm going to be doing the sterling against the US dollar next, and so you can see straight away that we're seeing some movement this morning. This movement is a continuation of the movement that started yesterday. A run that's occurred just after 8 o'clock GMT last night. In our 5 minutes, you can see we had a sell signal, and then we had a breakout over that support that we saw during the day, pullback, and then consolidation before it finally going off during the Asian market open. This is where it is at the moment now. But let's have a look and see what's happening on the daily time frame first. Ooh, nice. So you can see that for the first time since the latter part of July, the pair, as the Asian market open and close, we're seeing it break right through the 200 period moving average as we speak, and it's also testing a previous resistance level, which happens to be the 200 period. So if this carries on like this and closes lower today, then we could ultimately see a retest of the 50 period moving average at 1535 100, and then a break of that would see it retest 1515, that area ish. So at the moment now we have a distinct squeeze pattern breakout. If however, because this is still happening now, if however today we see a bit of a pullback and it closes higher than that, then we could see could still spell a possible bounce to the upside for this, primarily because we are still in it's broken, but still, I mean, the 200 period moving is still going to act as a very strong support if it can close higher today. If it can't, then it's a definite confirmation that we could see some more movement to the downside. So let's see if we're going to see a chance of that occurring on an intraday time frame. Well, on a 4 hour, you can see straight away it broke straight through this morning. The 200 being the very strong support level, the institutional moving average, and the 50 acting as a resistance level. Okay, you can see that. The ceiling, and then all important breakout. See that resistance, support, support, breakout. Now with any support breakout, there's a good chance of it pulling back. So what we want to see, will it pull it back? And as long as it stays below this area here, the 1550 mark, we could see it continue to the downside. Okay, so it's very important to see, for all of you that are looking for more confirmation on a big time frame of more selling to occur, wait for the close of this, and then if it closes lower, then we'll jump on board and sell or go short. Okay, so as it stands at the moment now, for all you intraday traders, well, you can see on a 5 minute that the 50 and the 20 periods acting as a real resistance level. See that resistance. However, what we're seeing just recently is a bit of a consolidation now to the downside. If it happens to break higher than this level here, then we could see it rally further to 1546 and ultimately back to that breakout area roughly around the 1548, which will be the 200 period moving average. Okay, so if it stays lower than this trend line here, then expect more downside movement. If not, we could see consolidation. A break higher than 1543 would see a more upside movement. Hey guys, I'll be back with the US dollar chief next. See you soon.